everyone, this is Joey from Vorsama Solar. We are in solar business more than 13 years and we have did more than 3,000 solar projects all over the world. At the same time, we have also helped many customers to develop their solar business. Today, the topic is about how to make money from my solar system. So, first of all, we will introduce you a few kinds of the solar systems. This is the first one, and this is an off-grid hybrid system. What it means off-grid? It means it can be used without the city power. So the solar panels will directly go to the PV commander, to controller. So the controller will charge in your battery, and then your inverter will transfer the direct currents to the alternative currents to work in your appliance like fans, computer, washing machines, etc. So this is an off-grid working process. And what is means the hybrid? Hybrid means you can connect your city power in. So your city power can also charge to the battery and directly working the loads when the battery not enough. This transfer switch, it is automatically switched. So when the battery not enough at night, your city power can automatically work your appliance, and at the same time it can charge the battery. This is an off-grid system, which is suitable for where the city power not stable. So like sometimes it will stop, but we do not know how many days it will last and what time it will come back. So like people in Africa, like people in some remote areas, they do not have the city power, or their city power sometimes stop for a few days. This one is suitable for them. So how to make money from off-grid system? Since our city power not stable, and at the same time it will be very high cost. So usually we have to do the investigation from our customers. 1 month they may pay $160 US to $200 US. This is according to a client from Kenya. 1 month, $2 US. And he didn't use the air conditioners because we know in Kenya the temperature is not so high, not so hot in their summer. So only the freezers, only the washing machines, some water pump and lights, they consume too much. After he installed his system, he saved his money every month from paying the electricity, from paying the city grid. So this is the way he make money. One set solar system, off-grid solar system for his house may equal to 2 to 3 years of his electricity bill. In this way, one system can work for 25 years, which means after 3 days, the 20 years he is using the free electricity. This is the way our off-grid system making the money for our customers. So this is the first kind of grid hybrid solar system. And the second one, we will introduce our solar water pump system. Please follow me. Solar water pump system, mainly including the solar panels and the pump inverter to work in your pump, to pour the water to your tank, and then can be used for daily water, for irrigation, for storage, for anything, for your farm, for your plants, like this. So we can see from here, the complete system can work without battery. What it means without battery? Battery is one big cost item in one set system. So if without battery, the solar panels can directly work in your pump. This way is not so costly. And every day time, as long as there is sunlight, it can automatically work. If you don't need the power at night, this one is okay. If you need the power at night, you can make a system with the battery for backup at night time. You can also, without battery, but this inverter can connect to your city power or your generator to work the pump, to fill your tank, water tank. So this is the fully working way. So we know that pump need the power to work. So if in some area like in a farm, but it is in a remote area, and if we make the city power to our farm, the cables and the basement work may cost some. And every month we need to pay to the city grid, we need to pay to the government office, the electricity bill. So if you use the solar water pump system, this can totally cover your electricity bill when you're using the solar water pump system. In this way, you save your money. Because this one, when you buy it, it is like an investment. When you set it here, every day save your electricity bill, every day save your electricity bill. One or 2 years later, it saves all the cost, and then it starts to be the free electricity you use. This is the way our solar water pump make money for you. So this is the second one. And also have the third one, it is on-grid solar system. So on-grid solar system like this. No battery, only the solar panels, the on-grid inverter, solar panel rackets and cables. This is the complete set. So its working is like this way. Solar panels generation will directly go to the on-grid inverter to work your ambience. And then, if you have excess power, it can be sold to your city grid. You can feed your city grid. So in this way, if the local governments have the policy that you can sell your solar generation to your city grid and you can get some income. So how many space you have, just install your solar panels. You will earn money from it. And if you have no policy like this, you cannot sell your solar generation to the city grid. What is the usage? For example, if you are office, you are factory, you are the hotel, you are the supermarket, which use a lot of electricity during the daytime. Your on-grid solar system can also help you to cover your daytime consumption or to save parts, save 70%, save 80% of your electricity bill. So in this way, you do not need to pay too much for your electricity bill. And this one, 25 years working. 3 years later, you get your investment back and then start to use the free electricity. This is the on-grid solar system. On-grid solar system so far mostly used for where there have non-stop electricity, non-stop city power. So like mostly used in some developed countries and like some capitals. So they have the stable city power. In this way, they can use the on-grid system. Otherwise, many customers will choose the system off-grid with the battery for the backup system. So this is the 3 kinds of solar systems we introduce for many to our main market.